So I've just finished another bash here in the woods, and as you can see, it's now got the orange tyres on the SMT10. The only thing that went wrong this run is this bar at the back here was actually bent before, but there's supposed to be one at the top between there, and that one's fallen out. However, I have got it here, so I did see it as soon as it came out. It's supposed to be like the front there, but other than that it's held up, so I just kept running after it fell off, and it's worked perfectly fine on 3S. I only did one pack. Also, since last time, you can see in there's now a Castle BEC 10 amp for the servo, and that's wired on this extra wire here, so the servo is now getting the full 7.4 volt. Well, it was getting 7.4 volt from the ESC, to be fair, because I had it set to that, but it's getting a bit more amps now, so hopefully it's a bit better. It's mainly better under power, and also when the wheels are like stuck on a root or something, just helps keep them a bit more turned rather than bouncing around, because it's got a bit more torque. So yeah, it's been a pretty good session. Been doing some jumping, and it's held up pretty damn good, I have to say. Body's a bit battered, but as you can see, I've got shoe goo all up in the front of it, but the TVPs keep poking through there when I crash the front of the shell, so that is a little problem. But yeah, I've been bashing in the woods again around here, so you'll see some footage from that, and that's it for this one. Goodbye.